Hi there, I'm Matt Allen, Account Executive at Activate Inventory Management Software. Let's dive into two pivotal processes shaping modern manufacturing, kitting and assembly. These methodologies streamline production while adeptly responding to consumer demands and market dynamics. In the article below, I answer the question, what is kitting and assembly? And explore their benefits, differences, and future trends. Kitting focuses on creating products on demand, tailored to customer order specifications. When a customer places an order, the necessary components are selected and assembled into a finished product. Imagine ordering a customizable couch. The frame and fabric are picked from inventory and assembled into a complete piece. Once assembled, the product is quickly packaged and prepared for shipment. The quick transition highlights the efficiency of kitting, minimizing storage time and cutting inventory holding costs. Benefits of kitting include enhanced inventory management, reduces the need for large stock of pre-assembled products, slashing storage costs and mitigating the risk of overproduction. Customization and flexibility. On-demand assembly allows for high customization, quickly adapting to customer preferences. Increased efficiency. Streamlined order fulfillment shortens lead times from order to delivery. Reduced waste and greater adaptability. Accurate inventory alignment with actual demand diminishes waste, ideal for industries with fluctuating consumer preferences. Kitting thrives in sectors like electronics, automotive, and furniture, where product customization is key. In contrast, assembly involves pre-assembling products and storing them as finished goods, a process known as made-to-stock. Components sourced from various suppliers are stocked and assembled into complete, market-ready products. Each product undergoes quality checks, packaging, and labeling for sale before being stored in the warehouse as part of finished goods inventory, ready for immediate shipment upon customer order. Benefits of assembly include rapid order fulfillment. Pre-assembled stock products enable swift responses to customer orders, boosting satisfaction through shorter lead times. Economies of scale. Mass production lowers costs per unit, benefiting products with stable demand. Simplified inventory management. Tracking finished goods can be more straightforward than managing multiple components, especially for standardized products. Predictability and consistency. Ready-to-ship products guarantee consistent quality and availability, meeting customer expectations and demand forecasts. Assembly is ideal for industries producing standardized products in high volumes, ensuring a steady supply for quick distribution and efficient customer service. Both kitting and assembly are essential in manufacturing, catering to diverse operational strategies and customer needs. Choosing between them depends on market demands, production capabilities, and business goals. For deeper exploration of these methodologies, visit our blog at activate.com for the full article.